Have you been eating eggs your whole life, thinking they were one of the healthiest foods on your plate? Well, you might be doing almost everything right, except for one important detail. It's not the eggs, it's what you're eating with them. Every morning, millions of people enjoy eggs for breakfast. They scramble them, boil them, fry them, or make a delicious omelet. And that's great, because eggs are packed with high-quality protein and many important nutrients. But here's what many people don't realize. A few popular breakfast foods can make your overall meal much less balanced. Not because they remove the nutrients from eggs, but because they add large amounts of added sugar, sodium, or unhealthy fats that can outweigh many of the benefits of an otherwise nutritious breakfast. The good news? You don't have to stop eating eggs. In fact, I hope you keep enjoying them. Today, we're going to look at 3 common foods that are often served with eggs, and simple swaps that can help you build a healthier breakfast without giving up the foods you love. And make sure you stay with us until the end. The third food is one of America's most popular breakfast sides, and the healthier replacement is probably already in your kitchen. Welcome to Vita Signal 60, where we share practical science, informed health tips to help adults over 60 stay active, strong, and independent. If you're interested in simple nutrition advice, healthy aging, and everyday wellness tips, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's begin with the first food. Food number 1. Sugary pastries. Picture a typical morning. You make 2 eggs. Pour yourself a fresh cup of coffee. Then, you grab a donut, a muffin, or a sweet pastry on the way out the door. Feels like a complete breakfast. And for many families, it's been a morning routine for years. The eggs are doing their job. They're providing high-quality protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline, which support healthy aging. The problem isn't the eggs. It's the pastry. Most pastries are made with refined flour, added sugars, and very little fiber. That combination is digested quickly, which can cause your blood sugar to rise faster than foods rich in fiber. Not long afterward, your energy may start to fade, and you may feel hungry again much sooner than expected. That's why some people find themselves reaching for another snack before lunchtime, even after eating eggs. The good news is, you don't have to give up a satisfying breakfast. Instead of a sugary pastry, try pairing your eggs with whole grain toast, a bowl of plain oatmeal, or a handful of fresh berries. These foods provide fiber, important vitamins, and a steadier source of energy throughout the morning. They're simple changes, but over time, small choices like these can help create a more balanced breakfast. And that's exactly what healthy eating is all about. Not perfection, just better choices. Make consistent. Food number 2. Processed meats. Let's talk about one of the most traditional American breakfasts. Egg with bacon, sausage, or ham. For many people, it's a weekend favorite. For others, it's part of their daily routine. These foods are flavorful, convenient, and they pair well with eggs. The important thing to remember is this: there's nothing wrong with enjoying processed meats occasionally. The concern comes when they become an everyday habit. Many processed meats contain higher amounts of sodium. Some are also higher in saturated fat. For adults over 60, choosing a balanced eating pattern can be an important part of supporting overall heart health and healthy blood pressure. So instead of filling your plate with bacon or sausage every morning, try adding something colorful: a handful of spinach, fresh tomatoes, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions. These vegetables add fiber, vitamins, minerals, and natural antioxidants. They also make your breakfast look more colorful, taste fresher, and feel more satisfying. Here's a simple idea. Make a vegetable omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Serve it with whole grain toast. You've still enjoyed your eggs, but now your meal offers an even wider variety of nutrients. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up your favorite foods. It simply means making better choices more often than not. Before we reveal the final food, remember this. The goal of today's video isn't to make you afraid of certain foods. It's to help you make informed choices that support healthy aging. Small improvements, repeated every day, can add up over time. And now, let's look at the final food. Food number 3. Deep-fried side dishes. The last food is one that surprises many people. Deep-fried side dishes. Think of French fries, extra crispy hash browns cooked in a lot of oil, or even fried chicken served alongside eggs. These meals can certainly taste delicious, but they also tend to be much higher in calories and added fats than lighter cooking methods. When these foods become a regular part of breakfast, the overall meal may become less balanced. The good news? You have plenty of delicious options. Instead of deep-fried sides, try roasted sweet potatoes, fresh avocado slices, seasonal fruit, steamed vegetables, or a simple side salad. These foods bring fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals to your plate. They also help create a breakfast that's filling, colorful, and satisfying. Remember, healthy eating isn't about being perfect. It's about making choices that work for your lifestyle, one meal at a time. So, what's the biggest lesson from today's video? Eggs are still one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamin B12, choline, selenium, and many other nutrients that support healthy aging. The real opportunity isn't to remove eggs from your diet. It's to think about what you put beside them. Choose whole grains instead of sugary pastries more often. Fill your plate with colorful vegetables. Swap deep-fried sides for lighter, nutrient-rich options whenever you can. These aren't dramatic changes. They're simple, practical habits that can help you build a more balanced breakfast over time. And sometimes, the smallest daily improvements are the ones that make the biggest difference. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel. And if you're new to VitaSignal 60, be sure to subscribe for more practical, science-informed tips to help you stay healthy, active, and independent after 60. Now we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite healthy way to enjoy eggs? Do you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or in a vegetable omelet? Share your answer in the comments below. Your ideas might inspire someone else's next healthy breakfast. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us today. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Stay strong. And we'll see you in our next video. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Individual nutritional needs vary. If you have a medical condition or specific dietary concerns, consult your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet.